Reporting progress and delays. What to say when work is on track and what to say when it is not.
Welcome to Beam Master 79.
In this lesson you will learn 5 sets of phrases. How to say that work is on track. How to describe partial progress. How to flag a delay early and clearly. How to give a reason without making excuses. And how to offer a new deadline with a little reassurance. Then we will hear 2 complete conversations and finish with a short quiz. One quick note before we start. Maya and Daniel are invented characters and the 2 conversations are written teaching examples, not recordings of real people. The phrases themselves are ordinary workplace English and you can use them exactly as they are. Set 1. When everything is on track.
We're on track to finish by Friday. Everything's going according to plans. We've completed about 80% of the work. I've finished the first draft. We're slightly ahead of schedule.
On track is the most useful phrase here. It simply means the work will arrive when you promised. Set 2. Describing partial progress. Use these when the work has started but is not finished.
I've made a start, but it isn't finished yet. We're about halfway through. The design is done. Testing is still in progress. I'm still working on the final section. 2 of the 3 reports are ready.
Try to be specific. About halfway tells your manager far more than nearly there. Set 3. Flagging a delay. This is the hardest one, so learn these carefully.
I'm afraid we're running a little behind. There's been a slight delay with the report. I wanted to give you a heads up about the timeline. We won't be able to meet Friday's deadline. The schedule has slipped by about a week.
A heads up means an early warning. Giving one is a sign of good professional judgment. It is not an admission of failure. Set 4. Giving a reason.
We're still waiting on approval from the client. A supplier let us down at the last minute. 2 of the team have been off sick. The scope changed halfway through. It turned out to be more complex than we expected.
Explain the cause, then move on. 1 sentence is usually enough. A long explanation starts to sound like an excuse. Set 5. Offering a new date and reassurance.
I can have it with you by Tuesday instead. We should be back on track by the end of next week. I'll send you an update every Thursday until it's done. It's under control. I just wanted to keep you informed. Nothing else in the project is affected.
Never stop at the problem. Always finish with a new date and with what you are doing about it. Dialogue 1. A good progress update. Daniel is giving his manager, Maya, a short update. Morning, Maya. Have you got a minute for a quick update on the website project?
Of course. How's it going?
Really well. We're on track to launch on the 15th. The homepage and the product pages are finished.
That's good to hear. What's left?
Just the contact form and the final round of testing. We're about 80% through.
Is there anything you need from me?
Not at the moment. I'll send you a short written update on Thursday.
Perfect. Thanks for keeping me in the loop.
Notice the shape of that update. Where we are, what is left, what happens next. Dialogue 2. Reporting a delay. Same project, but this time something has gone wrong. Maya, do you have a moment? I wanted to give you a heads up about the website project.
Sure. Is something wrong?
We're running a little behind. The client sent new branding on Monday, so we've had to redo the homepage.
I see. How far behind are we?
About 4 days. We won't make the 15th, but I can have everything ready by the 19th.
Can we still launch before the end of the month?
Yes, comfortably, and I'll send you an update every Thursday until we're back on track.
That works. Thank you for telling me now rather than the day before.
Daniel gave a number, a new date, and a plan. That is why the conversation stayed calm. Now, the tone. 4 things to do and 4 things to avoid. Do tell people early. Bad news travels better in advance. Do give a number. 4 days rather than a bit late. Do offer a new date, not only an apology, and do say what you are doing about it. On the other side, don't hide the problem and hope it fixes itself. Don't over-apologize. One short apology is enough. Don't blame a colleague by name, and don't say soon or as soon as possible. Be exact. Your turn. Fill the gap in these 4 sentences. 1. I'm afraid we're running a little blank. 2. We're on blank to finish by Friday. 3. I wanted to give you a blank up about the timeline. 4. It's under blank. I just wanted to keep you informed. Pause the video now and say each sentence out loud. Here are the answers. 1. I'm afraid we're running a little behind. 2. We're on track to finish by Friday. 3. I wanted to give you a heads up about the timeline. 4. It's under control. I just wanted to keep you informed. Let's recap. 5 things to remember. On track is your best phrase for good news. Give a number, not a feeling. A heads up early is worth far more than an apology late. 1 sentence of reason is enough. And always finish with a new date and a next step. Thanks for watching. This week, write 1 progress update and 1 delay update for your own work and say them out loud.
See you in the next lesson from BMaster 7 to 9.